Welcome to Transor India. I'm very proud to present this system to you because this is one of the biggest systems, filtration systems that Transor India is going to install soon. So stay tuned for the details. This filtration system is a 1000 liters per minute capacity system which will provide clean oil filtered down to almost 3 microns to 8 tool and cutter grinding machines. Let me just give you a brief tour of how this system is going to work and what we have done over here. This system is based on the Transor Compact Filtration technology. In that we provide, the filter elements used in which are placed in these vessels are based on multi-channel geometry flow. Dirty oil in the system will come from all the machines over here. These are the dirty oil pumps, which will pump to the filter vessels. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 groups of 4 vessels each. So the beauty of this system is that because the filter elements are so compact, we can really pack a punch in a very small footprint. So the entire length of this system is 3.5 meters and the width is 2.2 meters. So imagine almost the entire oil of your entire shop floor getting filtered in this small footprint. This is the reason why people prefer Transor systems, the footprint. And because of the low footprint, the operational oil required in the system is also low. Now back to the system. Once the dirty oil is pumped inside the vessels, the clean oil comes out from the vessels and is collected in the clean oil compartment, from where these pumps will pump it back to the tool and cutter grinding machines. Now we have provided VFD control panel. So as per the requirement from the machine, either 1 or 2 or all 3 pumps will be operated, or by adjusting the frequency, the speed of the pump will be increased or reduced so that the flow is adjusted accordingly. Now, for tool and cutter grinding application, the temperature of the oil is very important. Thermal stability is what is required to make, rather than the oil being cool, oil at a constant temperature is the requirement. So to fulfill that, we have provided a plate heat exchanger. This is an alpha level plate heat exchanger, very reliable. And so the cooling and the filtration is going to happen simultaneously. So it is not that all the filtered oil will pass through the PHE. The filtered oil will first come inside the clean tank, and this pump is also mounted on the clean tank, which will pass the oil through the PHE, and the cooled oil will come back to the clean tank, from where it will be pumped to the machines. Now, another important reason why people or customers prefer Transor systems is because of the regenerative capacity of these filter elements. Now, what do I mean by regeneration? After a periodic set time, what we do is we stop the filtration, and whatever oil is present inside these vessels, that is drained in the dirty tank using compressed air, and we allow compressed air to pass through the vessels. The compressed air is at around 4 to 5 bar, and that removes the trapped carbide from the filter elements, and that carbide is taken to a sludge conveyor. Now that conveyor, whenever as per a set time, it starts, and it removes the settled carbide from the system. This is how virgin carbide can be recovered from a Transor system. Close to 95% of the carbide that comes in the system will be removed with this sludge treatment process. So this is the complete system. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you would like to see similar videos in the future, please subscribe. Thank you.